Hello everybody, I'm Admired Plague and welcome to another episode of Gilded Tips. Today we are covering different channels for calendar, scheduling, and announcement types. So let's just get this started because I don't feel like wasting your time. Cue the title screen. All right, everybody, thank you guys so much. If you are coming here from the last video, I appreciate you guys continuing through the video series. I appreciate you just getting help and needing it. So thank you guys for that. Last episode we covered chat, we covered streaming, we covered voice channels. Today we're covering calendar, scheduling, and announcements. I'm going to just go through announcements really quick. The announcement channel, like my announcements here, I have none. I can post one. It's basically all it is just a thing that allows me to type up an announcement and it'll tag everybody. If you see here, it'll tag everybody with push notifications saying, hey, it's a thing. This is what we need. So basically what I'm able to do here is just like, you know, thank you for the stream, thank you for this, my announcement, I have a sponsorship update, I have this, that, and the other thing, whatever. So it just allows me to basically go through and allows me to post an announcement. There's nothing special about this. Typically you don't want anyone to reply to these things. I don't think you can reply to these things, but it's just nice because it allows you to just get out information to the public. So that's all these are for. Moving on, you're going to see the calendar. So my calendar is actually empty at the moment. I haven't done a whole lot with it. So we have the 24-hour stream, which I just got done with a couple days ago. Obviously, it's the 14th today, but you can add events, or you can also see upcoming, and there's like a list of upcoming stuff, but there's nothing here right now. But I can put in my stream schedule. So like today, I can say from, I can just say stream, and then I can say today's date from, we'll say 5:30. To 10, typically my stream schedule. You could do a URL, so you can put your Twitch link in, so twitch.tv/admiredplague. And then, oh, sorry, you gotta add the stupid https://www. Bam, there it is. And then today we will be streaming Resident Evil 3 speedruns. And then I could say power hour active. That just lets people know that there's a certain system or bot going on. I could hit create and you have an event. So now that this event's a thing, I can now go to the next day and I can say off today, and people know I'm off all day. I can change the color and make it red, just saying I'm not streaming, and then relaxing. You don't necessarily need to even add that, but I figure I can. And then back at it Saturday. Now say I want to make this a special event, I can do stream and then say charity, make it a special event or something. And if I want to have an idea of how many people are going to be coming to this, we'll just say that it's 12 to 10-hour stream. You can go to advanced tab and now you can allow Rsvps. And then you can like make an attendance, and you can restrict this to roles, to certain roles and permissions, so only they can see it. And then you can also have a form for the Rsvps. I don't need Rsvps on, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually make Rsvp attendable events so that they can click on it and they can say, hey, we are coming. No, we're not coming. It's like a Facebook event. But you can do that all within Gilded. It's really cool. So if you have like a special charity stream you want going on, you want people to RSVP for it and say, hey, I'll be there, to like confirm that you're going to have a certain amount of people there, you can do that. Or if you have a sponsored stream, you can say, hey guys, it's a sponsored stream. I need X amount of people to get there. Can we get that many people? That way you have a kind of an idea of an outlook. This does allow you to figure out metrics for sponsorships as well, because some people do care about, you know, how many people you have coming into your chat, what your average viewership is. If you're just a normal person using Gilded, you can use this for your school schedule. You can use this for your work schedule. I used to use it for my work schedule. I am now full-time, so all it's going to be is pretty much streaming and some extra content, like when I'm doing YouTube videos, when I'm doing collaborations with other people, but I'm not streaming, but I'm on someone else's stream. They'll be in my calendar as well. All of that will be here. I don't really ever use the RSVP tab. I have no need to, so that's what this is. So we just hit create, and now you have stream charity on this date. Once again, you can change the color if there's like a special thing. So like if I'm doing YouTube days, it's usually going to be red. If I'm doing stream days, it's blue. If I want to do a collab day, it might be purple. But then you can hit upcoming and you can see what streams are upcoming. And then you can, once again, you can hit join just to say, hey, I'll be there today, you know? So that's pretty cool. Anyway, moving on. So that's calendar. Now, the last one is going to be schedule. Schedule's really cool. If you are running a guild or a group of people that does raids on, say, Final Fantasy or on whatever, it doesn't matter. You are able to basically ask for everyone's schedule. So, hey guys, on January 15th, we're doing a raid. I don't know what time to do it, so can you guys put when you guys are available? Most people are at night, so they can say, oh, hey, look, I'm available, after work, so 6 o'clock till midnight. So you can say 6 to midnight, and if everyone follows suit, they have their own, I'm pointing at my screen, like you can see me pointing at my screen. You're able to put all of your own different schedules in, and then as the owner of the server, you can find where all of these little lines overlap, because as more people add this in, this will kind of get bumped over. You'll see more and more of these go through. You can pick an area of where everyone overlaps at the start, and that's when you can hit create event. And then when you hit create event, it'll once again bring up a calendar like type thing. So we can say this is gonna be a guild raid. Calendar channel will be my calendar, and then all day, whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's, oh yeah, 8 to 9 was the best time slot. I hit create. So now this is going to be in my calendar as an event. I can then invite specific people. It'll also show up people that were on the schedule. It'll automatically invite those members. So it's pretty cool. I was the only one that obviously was on the schedule, so I can't do that. So let's go back. Let's go back to the month. So now I have guild raid here. I'm just going to go through guild raid, and I'm just going to get rid of it. 3 dots, delete event, bam, done. So that's scheduling. Scheduling is pretty simple. There's really nothing to it. If you want to get rid of it, you just click on your icon, hit confirm. Now your schedule's gone. If you need to readjust this, you can then click on your little bar here and adjust your time. It does tell you the time above your avatar, and you're good to go. So that is that. Nothing else needs to be said about scheduling. If you have any questions about any of the other stuff going on here, questions about calendars, how they work, how Rsvps work, questions about the announcement page, or questions about scheduling, let me know in the comments down below. I'm trying to answer all those questions as I can as they come through. There's a lot of gilded tip videos that I'm putting out at once, so there's probably going to be a lot of questions on different videos, so I might be spending a lot of time just answering questions. If you guys want your questions answered in a timely fashion and live, you can also just visit me on Twitch, twitch.tv/admiredplague, where I can give you guys live demos, or you guys just enjoy the content I'm playing and just ask questions. If it's something that's super complicated, I have no problem bringing up gilded and showing you guys that firsthand. So thank you guys so much for coming from the other video. If you are just finding this just now because it's something that's specific to you that you need help with, thank you for finding this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you did enjoy the content or found it useful, please click like and subscribe and ding the bell. I have lots of videos that are coming out. I'm now a full-time content creator once again, so I'll have a lot of videos on different things, especially gilded videos. Whenever there's new announcements, my announcement videos will be posted pretty much the same day that their announcements go out, with just bug fixes and updates to different things that's going on within the server system. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. And random video, continuation of this series, sub button is somewhere. I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye.